Good morning, everyone. I am Juan Visayas, a fourth-year Baccalaureate student, major in Industrial Arts. Today, I will discuss the materials and tools in refrigeration and air conditioning. First, the adjustable open wrench. It is a tool used for working with hex head bolts, nuts, and screws with various sizes. Next is a slip joint. It is a tool used for turning or holding a part. Next is combination wrench. It is a tool with an open end and a box end. It is designed for the convenience of an operator or for the worker who may need an open end for speed tightening and loosening, while the box end is used for adding torque. Next is a wire stripper. It is a tool used for removing insulation from electrical wires without damaging the wires. Next is open wrench. It is a tool used for working with hex head bolts, nuts, or screws. Next is a diagonal cutter. It is a tool used for cutting wires. Next is Phillips screwdrivers. It is a tool used for turning with Phillips head bolts or screws. And lastly, standard slot screwdrivers. It is also used for turning with slot head or screws. And that's all. Thank you.